Do you love going to vintage markets, charity shops, buying broken jewellery, or simply have jewellery that is broken? So many people throw away broken jewellery. It is such a waste. Here I have some large flower charms with diamante detail. Absolutely stunning. It could have been a necklace or bracelet before, but these are what I could find as I rummaged through a box of broken jewellery. So beautiful. They have 4 loops to the back of them to be able to join together. You could even make a lovely ring. So many things you can make. I wish I had one extra, then I could have made a ring as well. But I'm going to make a bracelet today. I am using 1mm elastic, so it's nice and strong. And I need to double up the length and have some extra. So I think I'm going to measure 24 inches. It's better to have too much than too little. And then snip. So I'm going to line these up. Let's have a look. It's that one. And we'll make it inside out to make it easier to do. So we go through this one. I just love old vintage jewellery. Look at this one. It's a lovely smoky quartz. Okay, so I'll thread this one. I'm just going to put this little clip on the end, just in case, just to stop them falling off down the line. So that's this. Through there. It's just caught around. There we go. This is also good if you have old jewellery that's broken. I don't know about you, but I'm forever being given bracelets that are broken, and could I re-thread them? But maybe you've got an old broken bracelet that you want to rethread. Okay. when they're this shape, it gets caught so easy to get caught on everything. This one. Okay, so we're now going to go back through all of these on the bottom. Then we are going to take this end, obviously thread it back on ourselves, so the bracelet's like this, and then we're going to join them together. So I'm going to go through this hole, which was the very first hole. Let me just put this on the end because I do not want to lose the end. I'm pulling. There's that one. And then we have this one to do. Put it through here. Rub those through. We've got those both ends. So just pull them together like so. Together, can you see? And then we are going to tie them together. This knot there. Then we will do a surgeon's knot. And I always do one for luck. Now it's up to you. If you want, you can put some glue on. To show you the knot. It's very hard to see, but this is the knot. Hope you can see that. And then we snip. And there is our finished bracelet. Isn't it beautiful? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.